That's not my fox. Its ears are too furry. Not feeling. That's not my fox. Its back is too soft. Oh yeah. What's it feel like? Soft?
It's quite good feeling, isn't it?
That's not my fox. Its nose is too rough. Well, actually, I've been forcing her hand, so that might be the wrong thing to do. Oh, there you go.
She does do it.
That's not my fox. Its paws are too fuzzy. That's it. That's the fuzzy first paws. That's not my fox. Its chest is too smooth. Can I feel it? This one? That's my fox. Its tail is so fluffy. Fluffy! Come on, Ray, walk on your walker. Here we go.
Do you want any food?
No, I'm not really hungry. I can always let the fox or beans, stuff, beans, pie, whatever.
Yeah.
What are you having?
Lots of beans. Don't you be going for that dog food. No. Disobeyed your mother. Right, you walk to me. You wanna walk?
First step!
Yeah!
Well done, baby
Good job! Good job!
And she's happy about it.
She is! You're a walking girl! He's a walking girl! You did it! You did it! Right, walk over here then. I can't get far enough away from her. Try that. Look, it's all soft. Come on then. Yeah. I don't want this walking malarkey. I'm gonna climb you.
No clam. Love a clam.
She loves this little soft bit, doesn't she?